Hello all traders. Today is Wednesday, 5th of March 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 and CFDs. If we look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close during the Asian and London session and passed this level few times and started to go down pre-market. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that the price after New York market opening started to go down and found the support finally, and then buyers came back and pushed the price higher. So our plan of action was to wait to see how the market react to this channel and find a support at some level that get rejected and then take long position in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and around 10:20 when I came back, the price was testing this level of support that got rejected few times. So therefore I entered several long positions with setup B on micro Nasdaq futures because of high volatility, and also Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures in mini contracts, and all these positions were closed on the upper area of channel here. As you see, the exit here on the upper area of the channel on these contracts. And since the volatility was high and the market had no direction at this time and we reached the daily target, we finished trading on this account for the day. And this shows the statistics on this account. That shows it was positive with profit factor of 99, which is infinite and cannot be calculated because we reached 100% win rate from the 4 long positions taken. And we can see that the average winning trades were 285 and the largest winning trade was $633. So that's the summary of the trades I have taken on some of the futures prop firm accounts. And for the small CFD prop firm account, I decided to take most of the trades during the London session using the DAX, as the market is quiet and there is no major news or tweet about the trade war. So these are the list of trades I have taken today. 7 positions were taken, mostly on DAX index of Germany and also S&P 500. And you see the DAX entry here with setup B, T, and several more T. And also on S&P 500, one with setup B and another one also with setup B was taken. So these are the results of these trades today. Most of them were closed with profit, except one with a small loss and 2 scratch here. So with these trades today, the total balance of account is $77.12 now, and the profit factor is 2.2. And this shows the statistics. From total of 225 trades, we had 182 winners, resulted in about 81% win rate. And this shows the equity curve of the account in the second stage of the challenge, which is growing consistently. And this shows the percentage of active drawdown of all open trades. And we kept all of this below 0.5%, which is 10 times less than the daily loss limit of 5% imposed by the prop firm in order to pass the challenge and get funded. So hope this trade is taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts, and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.